Hi, I'm going to show you how to clean your silver at home. You just need two things. One, it's called silver polish, and it's from Parker and Bailey. You can use any silver polish. I bought it from the Home Sense, and then Canada you can say Home Goods in USA. So you can use this, and you need a old socks. Why old socks? Before that I always use the Bounty paper towels. They are also good, but because the old socks have a texture, so it cleans better. It's really good. So you can cut it just the front part, but I'm using the whole because anyways I'm gonna throw this. So, and after that you can see the difference. So I will start right now. So just put a little amount on the on my utensils, and then start rubbing it. And believe me, it's not gonna take just more than like 10 minutes is a max time. So depends on how dirty they are, and you will amaze with the difference. So let's just start. And that's how it's done out. It's so beautiful. Just spend a 10 minutes on your silverwares and they look stunning, beautiful. And it mostly lasts like one and a half month, and then they start getting fade again. But I really love to do this uh, polishing, and this is my favorite set, by the way. And I love this, and it's from the Home Sense, and so beautiful. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel if you are a home lover like me, so you can check so many videos about the home decoration and decor ideas, cheaper DIYs. So, and like my video and subscribe my video. Thank you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye, and give me a thumbs up. See, look at my hand. Okay, bye.